Hey folks, back at it here today, 2005 Outback XT Turbo. Just took the timing cover off to make sure the timing is correct on the rough idle I'm experiencing. Lazy mechanic with this changed engine. I figured out my generic code from before. That was off. I'll plug that back in. That should settle that at least, though I don't think that would cause what I'm seeing. Also, on the intake, this particular screw right there was backed out all the way, so I tightened that up. Come on, focus up. And I don't think that would cause a large enough leak to give me the issues I'm experiencing, but hey, who knows. And lastly, I found some tiny little bolt down on the engine plastic skid plate area. Don't know what that goes to, hoping it's the previous engine. And one more laziness issue. This driver's side timing cover was missing a bolt entirely. Not a huge deal, but come on, if you have the thing out, just put it in. Anyway, timing. Believe this is all set right. Some surface rust on this stuff. This car's sat for a while. Please don't judge. It's okay, I swear. I believe the timing up here is correct. Going to this notch. Down below, those two. Focus, damn it. The angle of that doesn't look good, but I swear it is. Focus. There we go. So that's the driver's side cams, and then this is passenger side. And then up top, hopefully you can see that, because right now where I'm sitting I can't. And here is the crank. So that's that. Hopefully that tells me that the timing is good and that's not my issue. And before I go, look how nice that is. So simple.